Hey everybody, this is day 8, no smoking, just vaping. And Tim got me a new battery. It has where you can turn the bottom up and down to get a better vape. This thing's awesome. Smokes you out, it's cool. Now I need to get a bigger tank to it maybe. I like these tanks because they're simple. I'm one of them simple and easy type of person, so uh, that's why this is working so well. And for the ones that want to know what the new vape battery is, it is a Vision, is what they're calling it, a Vision. And oh, it's a where is it? This is what it is called, and it is. I got it there, I guess. We do have, I found a small vape store, but they are friendly, and I was glad to get a good battery. Uh, but yep, today is day 8, and I have decided I'm going to get on the bike and ride around. I need to figure out what's wrong with it and see what I need to take to fix it. Show you the bike. This is the bike. We got this out of junkyard, and it pretty much all together. Just needs new fixing, a greasing. The chain needs to be redone. And here's the hookup for the camera and videotape the bicycle ride. And I'll put that on there. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hate going uphill. I'm too lazy. I wanted to show you this house. The lady fell asleep smoking a cigarette just a couple of days ago. Oops, squeaky bike. I don't know if you can see that house. You can see the burning on the side. They boarded the windows up. Poor family. That's what happens when you fall asleep smoking. Let's go for a ride. I need to see if I got everything adjusted. Well, I need to fix the gears. My gears ain't turning at all now. It really makes these hills suck. This is a small town in McMinnville. Look at the way that thing just stares at you. Don't know if you can see this, but you need to check out this big snake. Now, I don't know nothing about snakes, so I don't know if this thing is poisonous. But I need to get the dogs in. That I do know. I think that is just a black snake. But I don't know. Boy, that was my first bicycle ride in 6 years. Fun, but tiring. My gears are stuck in one place. This bicycle Tim and I got was out of a junkyard. So it's got a whole lot of stuff that needs to be fixed. Hey everybody, I'm sorry the bicycle ride wasn't that long. But shoot, come home and the spider's trying to get in my house. Let the puppies out and there's a snake in the yard. Life is an adventure. You never know what's gonna happen. Especially after you hit 50. Say bye-bye. Kissy kissy. Kissy kissy. Hey everybody, this is Patches. And Patches, if you like our videos, please subscribe. Let us know what you think about them. If you like something, let us know. If you don't like something, let us know. We'll change it if we can. Give us a like, thumbs up, thumbs down. Up to you. Let us know you're paying attention. But we just wanted to say thank you for watching. So give me kissy kissy.